Here, hold on. Stay in.
Oh my god. What the hell? Yeah, there we go. Come on, baby.
Dude, alright, I guess Jalen and I can push if you want to go in reverse.
Get in there. Turn it on.
Hey! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Dude, it's doing so good.
Hell yeah! Dude, I got a lot of air. Put your seatbelt on.
It's decent. Do another whip.
Oh my god!
Oh my
Sounds like a coolant hose.
Yep, smells like coolant. Freon?
Oh, I smell it, dude. What?
It blew a line. Oh, here it is. That's antifreeze. We're good.
Dude, the next one you gotta power slide the bowl.
Was that second to last one good?
They were all good.
I feel like that. The one after I hopped in last time.
Dude, how much air did we catch?
You got like 3 feet of air that time. Can I try it really quick?
You got some good air. Your back tires rarely got off the ground, but the front was like this. What the heck? You guys just missed.
So when I see your drone, I'll take off.
What's he doing?
It takes forever to get the drone.
I gotta get set up, dude.
All right, listen.
You can't rush a pilot.
His pre-flight
It feels like,
checks.
yeah, it feels like we're sitting on the tarmac.
I was doing my pre-flight checks. I was checking the torque specs on all the bolts.
We're waiting for traffic control to come through and
Yeah.
be like,
We got an all clear.
still see you, 1, 2, 3, you're ready to...
We're
69 Tango.
69 Tango.
We're a little bit light on the de-ice for us. Gonna be 2 hours away.
We got a little bit of fog on the windshield.
You're clear to approach 5,000 feet.
The vehicle's kicking in right now. I can't see straight. What is on your windshield?
I feel like...
That's antifreeze or Freon.
oh,
Is
yeah.
that what just sprayed on
Yeah.
there? All that crap?
Yeah, it blew off when we went around.
Yeah.
It wasn't even on the impact, which is weird. It was when we went around.
Yeah. It
What
had,
if you hooked like a tree root or something?
it must have.
Probably. There's some bumps.
It's
Martin Lawrence.
It's the
other guy.
The other guy.
Yeah. They're with that guy in the house. He's like, I assume that you think that since my beard.
The name is Christina.
Not I'm hairy, but clean.
Get back here and make love to my wife!
Christina.
Here's my housewife.
You had my wife's name right. What, Alec?
Bueno. Whoops.
Screenshot.
Bueno. What? Oh, we're good? Okay.
Rip it! Rip it for the tickets!
I accidentally screenshotted that. Here we go.
Is she running?
No.
There she is.
Oh yeah, you gotta turn the power on.
Oh my god! Oh no!
Oh my god!
Dude, I didn't have a headache before that, and I have a bad headache. This is choking me!
Let's go back up!
Hang on, let me put my seatbelt back on.
We're going.
Oh, don't go back down. Please don't go back down. Dude, look at this seatbelt. Look at this.
Alright, turn it off for a second.
Inside my body, I swear to God.
Oh.
Oh, I'm stuck. I think I'm stuck. It's not coming out. Oh.
My phone.
That was insane, man. That was insane. All right, so that was an experience. Freaking mobbing down the hill. Now we're going to the jump.
Yeah, it's hard. We'll be all right.
I'll be fine.
Oh my God. Dude, she smells so bad.
He came around that corner and go.
Oh yeah. Ooh, baby.
We gotta let her cool down. She overheated.
Dude, where'd your bumper go?
What?
Where's the bumper?
It's probably gone.
Yeah, it's gone. Oh my god. Oh my god, no! Oh my gosh. Oh man, dude.
There you go.
Oh my gosh, she is so hot.
Yeah. Keep it on. Oh, it's just gushing out. Bottom radiator hose on that side. It broke it off the radiator. Put it in there. Put it in there. Water. Water.
Oh, she likes that.
Oh, it feels so. It's the worst feeling in the world.
Hey, hey!
No one likes that.
No one likes that.
Oh gosh. We gotta go faster.
Dude, that front end does not look good. I mean, look at his tires. They're just pitched in. Oh my.
There's gotta be.
I don't think you're making it, bro.
It's too steep. Bottom end before we get to it.
You just don't have enough power, dude, on the low end. Yo, there it was. You drug it. You drug it out. I think it's your mud flap.
We don't even know where we're going. Okay.
Okay.
I think we. I'm not going any farther.
Hey, show us how to get there.
Right here.
Is it right there?
Yeah.
Oh, you can make that.
Yeah. That's why I stopped.
Oh, that's a big. Ow!
Oh my god, this is gonna be nuts. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! That was incredible!
Do it again.
It's too hot now, look at it.
Dude, that was incredible.
This is too much fun.
This is too much.
$500? Well worth it.
Oh, look at the battery! The battery!
It's alright, it's plastic.
Oh, your battery.
Your battery's barely hanging
Yeah, the
on.
battery broke. the whole mount broke.
Dude, Jalen, the belt is just stuck in the door.
We're gonna have to jump it.
I think the battery's fine. I think she just needs.
Your battery tray.
Probably needs to cool down.
Yeah.
Dragging the positive.
Cool. Oh my god, it turned on!
The gas isn't working.
Oh, don't turn it off. Hold on. Pop the hood.
I'm pushing the gas. She shut off.
You're dragging one of your.
She probably just needed to cool down again.
Yeah, hold on.